Dear students, how are you all? Well, you are doing fine, I guess. Today we will start a new chapter. This chapter is called Reflection of Light. This is chapter 8 of your book. To begin this chapter, we have to understand what is reflection of light. So first we understand what is light. Light. Light is an energy which gives us the sensation of seeing. Okay, then this gives us a sensation of seeing. We can see, we can watch everything through light. Of course, it needs our eyes to see. There is some mechanism inside the eye that can provide the sight-seeing part. Now, come to the next part. Light is an energy. It comes to such a formation of wave. Sometimes it comes from energy. So there is a doubt that light is a particle or is a wave. So we will discuss it the later class, or like class 11 and 12. Well, remember, light is an electromagnetic wave. What is electromagnetic wave? The wave requires both electric component and both magnetic component together is called electromagnetic wave. Light is an electromagnetic wave. Well, now comes to reflection. So what would be the definition of reflection? When light ray hits on a surface and bounces back to the same medium is called, or this phenomenon is called reflection of light. Okay, now we can show it through a figure. Let's see this figure. This is a surface. Light comes and hits on the surface and then bounces back to the same medium. That means this is a air medium. It also goes to air medium. This phenomenon is called reflection of light. Okay. Some definitions. Now, first we will draw a figure. like this. Okay, this is surface, this is battery heats, here I first surface, the body where light ray first hit is called surface. So this is surface. Incident ray. A light ray which first hits on surface is called incident ray. Then reflected ray. The light ray which bounces back from the surface is called reflected. Okay, then incident point. The point on surface where incident ray hits is called incident point. Incident point, this point. Okay, then normal The perpendicular line on incident point is called normal. This is normal. Okay. Now try to understand the bit thing again. Incident ray, reflected ray, surface, incident point, normal. Now, incident angle the angle between incident ray and is called denoted by I. Now reflected. Reflected angle. The angle between reflected ray and normal is called reflected angle. So R. So this is incident angle, this is reflected angle. So you might understand it very clearly, right? Now, the last topics for today. Law of reflection. There are two laws. First law, the incident ray reflected ray normal lies on a same plane. 2. The incident angle is to the reflected angle. So I equals to I. So you might understood the characteristics of light, and the main characteristics of this chapter is the reflection of light. So this how the reflection takes place for light ray. Firstly, we have a recap of this chapter again. See it. First, light. Light is an energy which gives us the sensation of seeing. And also, light is an electromagnetic wave. Okay. Then, what is reflection of light? When light ray hits on a surface and bounces back to the same medium is called reflection of light. This is the surface. Light comes, it bounces back to the same medium. That's air medium. This is called reflection of light. Now, I come to some definition regarding to reflection of light. Okay. Firstly, you focus on this figure. Okay. I mark this figure for you. This definitions are all about this figure. Surface, the body where light rays first hit is called surface. This is the surface. Incident ray, the light which first hits on surface, this is called incident ray. Incident ray. Reflected ray, the light ray which bounces back from the surface is called reflected ray. Incident point, it's an incident point, the point of on the surface where incident ray hits is called incident point. Okay. Normal, the perpendicular line on incident point is called normal. Incident angle, the angle between incident ray and normal is called incident angle. This is the incident angle is denoted by I have written it here. Now, reflected ray, same. The angle between reflected ray and normal is called reflected angle, is denoted by R. Now, law of reflection. First law, the incident ray, this one, reflected ray, this one, normal, this one, they all lies on the same plane. That means we can set everything, the incident ray, reflected ray, normal, then surface, all of these things we can set on a single surface. I can set on all of this on this paper like this. I can set it over here. This is the surface, it lies on same surface like that. Okay. And second, this is the very popular and very known thing, the incident angle is equal to the reflected angle. So this angle is equal to this angle, it must be the equal. And there's the part and there's the issue of law of reflection. Okay, I get you might understood today's topic clearly, because we will go forward on this is the foundation of this chapter, so we will go forward on this foundation. Okay, be good, be safe, keep studying. Allah Hafiz.